What do you guys think?
Right here, Cook. See right here.
What do you guys think about this? It's amazing?
Yeah. Whoa. Yeah.
What is it?
Truck.
Oh, it is a cool truck. Show me what else you got. Whoa, look at that one.
This one.
What's this one?
Purple cow.
Wow. What else? Look, all these ones are, what color? What color are they?
Two.
Show me what else there is. Show me what else there is, Grayson. Cole, show me what else there is. Nice. What else is there? What's this? Tow truck? And what's that?
I know.
Oh, look at that green car.
I do not know. This one, other one. So, cheap, cheap.
That's it.